Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your Rappi account. For that, just go and open your Rappi app. There you need to select your country, and after that tap on I have an account button, and you can log in with your Facebook, Google, or your phone number and email. Continuing with Facebook and Google will be a lot easier, but if you have anything like email and your phone number, just enter that here, and then they will send you a OTP code. And if you're using your Google account if you're using your email, just write your email over here, and they will send you reset link on your Gmail, and just tap on that link and they will let you recover your password. And that is how you can recover your account. And if your account is blocked or something like that, you need to navigate to account button. And if your account is locked or something like that, just go and open your browser, and there you need to type Rappi help CNTER and tap on source button, and in this website you can talk to them and they will help you out to fix the problem. And that is how you can recover your Rappi account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.